Okay, hello students. Question number 20 bu tawre. Question number 21 amuk puro la. Question number 21 it is also of 3 marks. 3 marks se pull off kamaina gain tawge have the yeng ko. Yes. Adu yeng se hoi. Question je hana phajana pa je question je para matung da kamaina tawge da ge do. Mun yeng ko. Sida hangi question je yes question number 21 it is right. So that the projection vector of A vector on B vector, or B vector 0 tabiyade, is haraga A vector dot B vector is divided by magnitude of B vector whole square into whole bracket into B vector haraga. Adudi yes, adudi sigi topic sigi problem je it is based on the topic vector depend tawrego hai vector the base tawba akoi problem ni ko ado vector the base tawrabani na sidamana hangije projection vector haiba ko adu projection tawgudoi ji kana dano ko A vector habisna on B vector habisi makhangmum jangi ko adu re projection ji kaino hado ai hanam ta hairaki ko aduga hoi sigi potse hoi proof to part na kona lakse or so to part na kona lakse I projection ta number a figure macha ma hani lake ko adugi figure dugi through the we'll try to understand what exactly is the projection ko projection do yeng je adu de let's suppose I'm having a vector OB have a vector am later ko sig OB vector je it is denoted by this B vectors in a mass represent tawre haina khalaji aduga akoina sidaiza OA vector amazu laire haina khalaji for example this OA vector it is represented again by A vectors in represent tawre haina khalaji ko aduidi aina sigi point A sidagi perpendicular drop amasigi OB haiba sigi vector sida drop tawra aji ko yes, perpendicular line amanya chinge drawn on the kaida OB haiba so sige vectors da I point A is the gi I yes I perpendicular line am ko chingare ko adudi ahoina sige OL haiba ko sige OL haiba ahoina sige distance ko or sige line je OL haiba ahoina sige line je akoina sibu ke kawi ha kana there is nothing but the projection inga dai go I want the OB have vector am laire or B vector have ko laire A vector ko laire I sigi A vector sigi A point is perpendicular draw ko sigi OB line ji da singdare or OB vector ji singdare aduga singdare ba sigi point let's suppose si L na hena khalaji adu sigi OL sigi distance se sibu ko na ke kawi ha kanda it is nothing but the projection and projection to man high in a projection vector putho hai bane ko adudi ai sigi figure je ko sigi figure je season raga ai putho rakadoi ni ko si ta halakadoi ni si ta ham tam jida ai kenom hairam du chitharam me ko sigi B vector je ga A vector je mark ta lebe angle je let's suppose is theta ne haina khanje ngai ko let the angle between the the A vector and B vector is theta ne na khanje ko aduga yes AL is perpendicular drop to laire OL is nothing but the projection of A vector on the B vector A vector is B vector drop to the projection to see OL jo ge do ne ko adu ko yeng je yes I haisen ge let A vector yes let A vector have nota yes let A vector and B vector let A vector be the two vectors ani khani ko A ga B ga Z ko be the two vectors and theta be the angle between then ko mabani marak tale ba angle do 90 theta ne ha gya ha then sig olj ko serial ba sig olj it is going to be the projection over the ni ko and ol be the projection A vector on B vector. OL jina kai oidoba ngasagi projection do oidoba ba. Adudi ai ngasagi sigi right angle triangle ALO haiba sigi right angle triangle jidagi ai karo relation ko sagalake ko. Adudi now in right triangle ALB ko this is the COLJ layer COLJ ko OLJ layer AB vector si layer at the same time I see theta as layer ko adu tarde si base ni this is hypotenuse ni ko aduga I see the trigonometric ratio sama khak ko I trigonometric function um khala urake and that is I cos of theta ko kai no the base ka hypotenuse ni ko I cos theta log cos theta di kai no it is OL divided by A vector ne yai ko akhona pam se ken projection han puthok kodoi ni ko projection puthok matung da projection vector du no kona la ka dong ne ko adu COL is nothing but magnitude ni ko khoi magnitude han puthok ki je du vector du kona mo lak se ko adu de which implies that OL di kai tare adu de A vector into cos of theta se la adu C cos theta se in dot product cos theta se kai mana ising si ko series aina if A vector haibamaga B vector haibamaga ani jaina dot product tawraba this can be also written as the magnitude of product of the magnitude of the A vector and B vector cos theta na sumaini ibi yai ko haibadi aina A vector haibamaga B vector haibamaga or any vector ni khaksen in dot product tawtardi aina yes mabani magnitude product tawro aduga yes cos theta du product tawdu manai haidana sidagi from this I can write this cos theta equal to A vector dot B vector divided by magnitude of A, magnitude of B. This is my B. Instead of this cos theta, I can write this term. So I see EVR. This implies that OL equal to A vector A vector dot B vector whole divided by magnitude of A vector into magnitude of B vector. So my VRF. Okay, yeah, go. Yes, yes. I thought here, cos theta is the go. Sigi cos theta is the cos theta high tardy base by hypotenuse in the com. Base by hypotenuse high tardy hypotenuse no A O no throw. Or OA haigera sigi AOG di akoina si AOG distance lo do ni ko adu di A vector hai de ya roi ko A vector gi magnitude hai ga da ko adu kitang soyom le ko A vector ida madi la li ko it should be the magnitude of this A vector where ka do ko kai gi no hypotenuse hai tardi is nothing but AO ne ba AOG ke no ha kan it is a distance to ne ko distance hai tardi it should be the magnitude lo ka do ni ko adu di akoina series da it should be the magnitude here also it should be the magnitude distance see magnitude A vector dot B vector whole divided by magnitude of B vector. This is nothing but the projection to tare. Projection di puto projection do OLJ projection vector projection ki magi magnitude OL hai badudi akoina puto yes we are left with the projection vector projection vector do tangai deba adudi therefore the projection vector therefore the projection vector of A vector on B vector is is equal to OL लेदना को आई OL जी के वेक्टर ने पुथोर खदो जी को अदुदी A vector dot B vector divided by magnitude of B vector हरगा on B vector दिना असागी unit vector of B इधर multiply तौरने बको B vector की कनोदुली के नो है कंदा it is nothing but A vector dot B vector divided by B magnitude of B into kana yes see B cap city kama ibi ai B vector divided by magnitude of B vector ni ibi ai dana ko are adu di kama ibi are cd ai magnitude whole square la duga A vector kam phajani isi ko A vector dot B vector divided by magnitude of B vector whole square into B vector si tare ko adu di कोई कदम माना प्रूफ तो हाई से और शो तो हाई बा कोई एक्सप्रेशन जे कोई तार है यारे को लास्ट हैंड सोनन मसा आम तंता पिर मुलोन हैंड्स सोनन लोरे को अदुदी कोई दा कन सिगी कोई प्रॉब्लम से हन शो तो गे हाई तारे फर्स्ट कोई प्रोजेक्शन नो कोई नो खंग दबे आरोय अद प्रोजेक्शन वाना पुथोरे तो प्रोजेक्शन पुथो मतुंग नमाना हाई प्रोजेक्शन वेक्टर हाइबनी ना projection दुगी vector हम पुथोर को the vector पुथोके है तारदी yes तो वो b cap तुमा अखोने multiply तो फिर को अदो सिदा अखोने problem जिले कदो मरु ओइना अखोने खंगदो बुजि कइनो हाय कांदा मसागी सी a vector जो on b vector है बनेबा को अदो मोइना सिदा if कइगुंबा b vector on a vector हम त on थोक मरकदोनि को सी पोट सिन a vector ओदोनि सिना कदो b vector ओगदोनि को अदुगी concept नु खंगदो को अदु खंग तारे क्वेश्चन लान चखरने बनो तैनाना याई को अदो सिगी प्रॉब्लम जे यार हैन लोगे को क्वेश्चन नंबर 21 जे अदो इज द एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ खंग दबा अदगी अइन हॉट पद को स्टेप त सुम कन ज्ञान ता दबा यार गजो एगोन दम फाइरो अदुगा अखोय मुक अदो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन दो हम डिस्कस तौर जे नेक्स्ट वीडियो दको अदो इसी ज्ञान ता रहने खलगे ओके थैंक यू वेरी मच स्टूडेंट्स